Hello everyone, welcome back. If you are new, I am Deepika, and if you saw my first video, then thank you so much for coming back. Today we are continuing our journey with something close to our heart. How to reset our lives this monsoon and truly embrace a healthier way of living. From tree planting seasonal foods, we are exploring simple yet powerful ways to reconnect with nature and with ourselves. So stick around. Reset this monsoon, a journey toward a healthy you. The monsoon is a season of awakening. It is the time when the skies open, earth breathes, and the rain brings renewal. The season isn't just about storms and showers, it's about starting fresh. It feels like the perfect moment to pause and reflect. Yes, the climate is changing, so must we. The monsoon becomes a gentle reminder to return to what truly nourishes us: nature, simplicity, and self awareness. Planting trees, planting hope. This is the season when planting a tree becomes more than just an act. It becomes a promise to earth, to future generation, and to ourselves. When the rain falls, the soil softens and hope is ready to take root. It feels like nature is inviting us to participate in its regeneration. Have you ever considered that planting a single tree could be your greatest and yet powerful legacy? Let's ask ourselves, can planting a tree be the greatest act of self-care and future care? Can we take on the role of a green guardian for generations to come? Can we truly reset our lives by planting a sapling? The rainy season is here and nature is ready. Are we? It's powerful, isn't it? That one small act like planting a sapling can hold so much. Nature is not a luxury, it's a lifeline. This question leads us to something more important: our relationship with nature itself. Our relationship with earth is essential, not optional. When we take care of nature, we are also protecting our air, food, water, and overall well being. Now, let's take a moment to look back. Because sometimes the answer we need are already in our past. It is wise to turn to the past for guidance. There is so much to learn from our ancestors who lived in harmony with natural cycles, planted trees, and ate fresh seasonal fruits and food. But nowadays, our plates are filled with chemically treated, cold stored, or artificially ripened foods and foods. Modern markets offer us everything, seasonal or not, all year round: apples in May, mangoes in December, strawberries from across the globe. We eat out of season and our bodies become confused. Digestion weakens and our internal balance, homeostasis, gets disrupted. See how our food affects our inner balance. The answer lies in something we have always known but often forgotten: nature's calendar. Nature's calendar is also our body's calendar. There's a great wisdom in eating seasonally. During the monsoon, your body naturally craves warm, grounding foods like millets, gourds, turmeric, and ginger. These are not just comforting, they help regulate digestion, boost immunity, and support emotional well being. Now that we have talked about nourishing the body, it's time to shift to something just as important, that is our mind. Reset your mindset, go green in thought. It is not just our food habits that need a reset, our mindset does too. A truly healthy mind doesn't only think about me, it also thinks about we. Let's be eco mindful. Think about your peace and your planet. Take a digital break. Less screen time means less stress and more connection with nature. Stay grounded. Step outside, feel the rain, breathe deeply, and let the stillness clear your mind. This monsoon, let nature be your guide, a time for both inner clarity and outer responsibility. Let's remember, our health is not separate from the earth's health. We are one with the soil, the water, the climate, and the seasons. Heal the earth, heal ourselves. Thank you.